Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy. Good company and wine, family and friends, make some noise! Still I cannot feel the presence and the energy of our crowd. How about we can start this lovely program with a round of applause. Isang masigabong palakpakan mo dyan ng may kasamang hiyawan. At abang magpalakpakan ng may kasamang hiyawan. Scream shout, come on! More energy, come on! Yung mga talaga dito sa kabila magpapatalo ba? Scream shout, come on! Lahat tayo magpalakpakan ng may kasamang hiyawan. Ano na talaga yung energy na hinahanap natin? Once again, good afternoon or good evening to each and every one. Welcome to Family Home Care Services Company 5th Annual Party. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Host Sandy at your service. And I want to welcome here at Armon Hotel here in Juvair. For sure, we're gonna have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned, sit back and relax. Palakpakan mo dyan! Ladies and gentlemen, they say New Year's are another chance to get it right. And we are just days away from that fresh start. But tonight is not about the next goal. It's about celebrating the incredible milestones we've already conquered together. Today's celebration is a testament to the hard work and dedication of our administrative and caregiver staff have shown throughout the year. So before we dive in with this incredible night, we would like to acknowledge the distinguished, the CEO, owner of Family Home Care Services. Let's give it up for Sir Ali Abdul Rahim Salman Ahmed Mansour. A round of applause. And we would like also to acknowledge their presence for this prestigious event. Let's give it up for Ma'am Arlene Manao, the manager. Hindi rin magpapahuli. Let's give it up for Ma'am Promise Joy Manao, the HR and accounting. And the last but definitely not least, let's give it up for Ma'am Maria Jonaline, the supervisor. Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan na may hiyawan. Come on! Well, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is about laughter and friendship. And of course, making more memories together with our fun parlor games and activities afterwards. So let's loosen those ties and let this celebration begin! I'm glad and honored to invite here in front of the stage our very own, the supervisor of Family Home Care Services. Let's give it up for Ma'am Maria Jonaline Sean for her welcoming remarks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Family Home Care Services, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our dedicated caregivers. We gather not only as a you bring everything. This evening is for us to relax, have fun, and appreciate one another, not just as a colleagues, but as a family.
It's because of you. Your hard work, dedication, and passion make all the difference. And we won't be here without each of you. To
Come on. Shake it all around.
Yung parang nagugulong, yung isa dyan buntis. Oo. 14 anyos pero buntis na. Yung isa gutom na gutom. Yung isa dyan parang nag-alamang ka.
It ain't wise to need someone as much as I
Yung mga nagagaling ang mong lumipad dyan. Yung isa mo magpunta, bye-bye na. Diwata ba ito o butterfly?
ladies, let's give it a big round of applause. Wala ba kayo mga mind? Alright, pangalawa. Ano na ba yung gagawin ko? Alright, for our first, Johnny, come on! Ismail naman siya. How about for our five? Mommy and Daddy, come on! Let's go for our six, Mommy, come on! Get ready for our seventh, Mommy, come on! Galing yung pagkanta nyo. Slay to slay. Come on, girls. Hindi na question sila. Okay, please move forward. Eight, Mommy, come on! Ayun na nga talaga. Ang dami ko dito. Okay, please step forward. Nine, Mommy, come on! How about for the 10th, Mommy, come on! Let's go for our forward! Ayun na talaga. Ang ganda. Ang sexy natin mga kaibigan sa 14. Well prepared with their shimmering and dazzling. Tayo mag-rampage ladies, beautiful girls all over the world from Family Home Care Services. Hindi mawawala ang ating Q&A. Isang simple question lang, each ladies. For our first nominee, join us here in front. Okay. You look so fabulous and wonderful with your shimmering and dazzling dress. How are you? I'm good. You're good. Isang question lang. Each ladies, each candidate, isang question. Walang ka po isa. Donna Grace, my question for you will go this way. Anong sikreto ng straight hair? Bakit bagsak?
Plancha lang yan.
Plansya lang yan. Okay, tapos na tayo. Ang galing ng sagot niya. Plansya lang. How about for second lady? For our second candidate? Okay, what's your good name?
Virginia.
Oh, napakasimple lang ng tanong ko. Ang tanong ay kumbaga akma or may kinalaman sa iyong pangalan. Oo. Gano'n ka virgin? Gano'n ka sikip?
Always virgin because my name is Virginia.
Oo, di ba? Lagi masikip. Every time. 24/7. Lagi masikip. Pwede ba akong pumasok? Papasok ng prinsipe, bubuka ang reyna, ang saya-saya. Oo, okay na tayo. Okay na tayo. Ganun lang kasi yung question. Third lady na tayo. O, siya na lang muna. Hi! Oo, ang ganda ng dress mo. Ang daming sequence. Sequence ba ito? Sequences, oo. O sige, ang question natin all about multiplication. Kasi all about sequence eh. Mga ano pangalan muna nila?
Listen na ba, no?
How are you po?
45.
Ang question ko para sa'yo, 1 times 1.
1.
One?
1 times 1, 1.
Bakit one?
Yung 1 eh.
One times one is equal to two. Because we are meant for each other. Okay, for next lady, next candidate. Hello, ma'am, how are you po? Ano pangalan nila?
Judith.
Ano pa?
Judith.
Judith. Ah,
Judith.
Judith. Okay, Judith. Ma'am, ganito. Ma'am Judith, parang once na narinig ko yung pangalan mo, nung narinig yung pangalan mo, naalala ko yung mga pinagkakautangan. Pwede bang paki-check kung ano yung Judith ko? Kailan yung Judith ko? Tapos na, magkano pinginutang ko sa'yo?
20?
Hindi lang. Magkano yung interest?
10%.
10%. Pwede bang next year mo lang bayaran?
Okay po.
Thank you. Oh, next lady na tayo, next candidate. Hello, Ma'am Jenny. How are you po?
Fine?
Ay, taga saan ka po sa atin ulit?
Kapite.
Okay. Ma'am, anong meron sa Cavite?
Makakabit.
Ang galing ng utak mo, no? Ang galing ng utak. Actually, yun yung tatanungin ko. Pero hindi ganun yung tanong ko para sa'yo. Di ba taga-Cavite ka? Sino kabit ng asawa mo? Ano pangalan ng asawa niya? Pwede pa natin patulfo? Ano naman siya? Thank you so much. O marami pa actually. Oh. Bibilisan ko na. Oh. Alam mo may kamukha kang sex bomb girl.
Sino?
Yung yumao na. Chok. Pero may kamukha ka talaga. Ano bang talent mo?
Dance.
Dancing. Pwede mo ba akong pukitaan ng isang get out siya? Isang get out? Gusto ko get out. Gusto ko get out. Baka matali mo naman. Hindi siya na close. Sige, isang. Sabayin mo na lang ako. From 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Get. Ikaw naman. Gusto ko lang mo. Ay, nahuli na yung bracelet. Sige, isang get out na, please. Dito ka na. Madali ang kausap. Ano ka na, gilagsan. Sige, sino po next natin? Ikaw na. Ano ba pangalan nila? Jane. Oo. Kumakanta ka po ba tuwing Christmas?
Yung Christmas eh, don't have
Oo.
Lakang Christmas eh.
Ito lang. Ano sinabi mo, my God? Naisip ko na yun. Naisip ko na yung jingle. Sige, ganun lang. Anong favorite mo kanta yung tuwing Christmas?
Hindi na ako na.
Wala kang Christmas. O di Happy New Year na lang. Anong paborito mong kanta yung tuwing New Year? Ayun. Ganito. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Ito naman.
Happy New Year to you.
With the exclamation point, Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. Oh, next player tayo. Bibilisan na natin at siya baka pumunin ng iba. Ano pangalan niyo, ma'am? Bella. O sino kawig mong artista? Mari. Hindi naman kami ang Marimar eh. Mukha ako si Paul Gosso. Check na. Anyway, ma'am. Ma'am, nagkamukhang artista.
Sino?
Hulaan mo. Bella. Bella. Adilpa. Check lang. Okay, okay na tayo. No? Ganun lang. Honest player nila. Ano pa naman mo?
Teresa.
Larissa. Basta ka naman ngayon. Sino nagpapatibok ng puso mo?
May love one.
Sino yung pangalan nila?
Alejo.
Alejo? Si Sir Alejo ba nahihilo lagi?
Hindi.
Kasi parang nahihilo siya, no? Okay na tayo, oo. Meron na tayo, hindi na siya doon tatagalan. Maraming gustong movie na agad. Dito na tayo. Ma'am, paano na ma'am? Ellen Adarna? Fernandez. Ma'am, kung sakaling ikaw si Darna at isisigaw mo ang Ding ang bato, paano mo siya isisigaw? Hindi. Hindi mali ka doon. Tatawagin mo pa lang si Ding. Ang sasabihin mo, Ding ang bato. Ikaw naman. Ding ang bato. Ako na to, oh. Darna. Ako pala, oh. Explain na tayo, oh. Huwag kang mahina, wala ka naman ginachat. Anyway, ano pangalan nila? Ma'am, bakit parang masyadong basag daw? Sino namuntok sa'yo? Galit yung tao namuntok sa'yo. Bakit parang doble?
Sorry, kakaiba inborn.
Inborn. Ma'am, ito na lang. Kung magiging kung magpapatawa ka, anong klaseng paano ka magpapatawa? In what way?
In my own words.
In your own words. Actually, ma'am, tawang-tawa na kami. Hindi ka pa nagpapatawa. Tawang-tawa na kami. Charot lang. Okay, okay na tayo. O, kasi tawang-tawa na kami dito. Okay na ako. Okay na ako. O, kasi nakasit tayo. Hi, sister. I love your curly hair. I love your curly hair. Ano yun? Ang sabi ko, ang ganda ng pagka-curly hair mo.
Thank you po, sir.
Ikaw ba si Maria Makiling? Mukha ka si Maria Makiling. Maricel. Ano yung pinaka-favorite mong sabihin sa asawa mo?
Sasama ko.
Magsasabi siya. Kahit kasi tayo. Okay. Ito, ano ang madalas mo sabihin tuwing gabi kay asawa mo?
Good night.
Maliban sa good night.
I love you. Magubad ka na.
Sure, ma'am? Sure ka? Baka pwede mo sabihin sa baka ganito ang pwede mo sabihin sa kanya. Pwedeng pakanton naman.
Ayun na.
Sige, sabihin mo ngayon. Asawa ko, pakanton ka naman.
Hindi talaga ba?
Talaga pwede. Okay na tayo. Strict yung parents niya, okay na tayo. Okay sila. Mag-entertainment lang. Ito masyadong behave. Kailangan ano ka, para kailangan maging wild ka. Hindi kahit paano. Oo. Para ikaw, anong tawag dito? Oo. Anong tawag dyan sa ganito? Both sides? Pili. Mute ko, mute. Anong kapansanan mo, ate ko? Anong kapansanan mo? Anong kinaganda mo? Ay, sorry. Wait lang, ang question ko para sa'yo, sino inspirasyon mo pag pinagpunta sa annual party? Pipiya ka, sige ka na sa posisyon mo, oh. Magiging ka sa'yo, kaya tayo. Oh, let's clear na tayo. Let's clear na. Meron pa ba? Oh, mabilis lang natin short commercial break. Ma'am, sino ka sa Dragon Ball Z? Joke lang. Super science. O sige. Hami! O sige, ito lang. So, tapos, sino ka sa Dragon Ball Z? Okay. 1, 2, ito pa. Sino ka sa Dragon Ball Z?
Majin Buu.
Gawin mo nga yung hami. Wait, come on, solo. Wait! Paula, sino ka? Wala na? Okay! Nagdesisyon na. Meron pa ba? Meron. Ba't di ka sasalita dito? Mahihayin ka ba? Oo. Pero ang ganda mo, no? Ay, ibang lahi din. Excited na yun natin kung English ka. O sige, English na ako. Later, bukas na lang ako. Okay, how are you? How do you feel for tonight? Good. Happy. Sino nagpapasaya sa'yo sa moment na to? Sarili mo. Ma'am, kung magkakaroon ka ng... O sige, ganito rin question ko sa'yo. Kung magkakaroon ka ng isang buhay pa, magiging ano ka at bakit? Like for example, namatay ka ngayon, huwag naman sana. Magiging sino ka at bakit? Yung parang yung dati. Actually, nagsawa na kami eh. O, dapat mabago ka naman na. Oo. Sino tayo na? Sino? How are you? How do you feel? What's your good name first? Priscilla. You look like a princess from the Disney world. If you become a Disney princess, who will you be? Who do you want to be and why?
Actually, I don't know their names. The characters. I don't know the names of the characters. Yeah.
Okay, do a research first. Come on. Start it now. Who else? Betty Cooks na tali dito. Betty Cooks. Ano pa pangalan? Liana. Oh. Mahilig ka bang magsinungaling? Kasi Liana ka, di ba? You're always lianing. Oh, you're always lying. Anyway. Okay. Liana. Ilang grado ng mata mo? Or ng eyeglass mo? 120. 127. Hindi ka ba masyadong... Anyway, kung ano pa man yan, sarilihin mo na lang, wala naman ano siya. Anyway, kung malabo yung mata mo, paano luminawanag yung buhay mo? Isin mo yun at bakit? Sa taas. Ano pangalan? Si Lord. Maliwanag ang buhay mo kasi pagkasama mo si
Lord. Okay na tayo, oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna announce for the criteria for judging for our beautiful girls from the Family Home Care Services. Criteria will be 25% for the modeling, 25% for the outfit for tonight, and 50% for the Q&A. Sana ginalingan nyo man lang kahit yung 50%. Alam na this. And to present the award, maybe call on Mom Arlene here in front.
The winner, none other than Miss Maricel.
Alright, congratulations Maricel, our star of the night. For our first batch, she will receive a sash, a trophy, coming from our sponsors from the Family Home Care Services. Presented by Mom Arlene together with Mom Jonalyn, Sean. The walking in one place, march in your places for 30 seconds and don't go away. If you don't go away from your places, you will be out. Be eliminated from this game. Get ready. And here we go. Come on. March. Go. March. 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 Come on. March. 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 March! Ang galing nito, oh. Nandun pa rin siya sa lugar niya. Come on, girls! Sayaw! Lakad! Harap! Harap! Lakad! Harap! Lakad! Harap! Lakad! 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 Ang galing nito, ay first player! We are proud Family Home Care Services! Sobrang sakit sabi ko yung ending. Oo, sabay piling. Oo. Baka mo.
Pasko ay kay saya.
yung ano. Okay na sana, di ba? Okay, the last but definitely not least, candidate number 3, Miss Joanne. Ikaw mo kami na masabog na pose. Pasabog na pose. Slay. Parang Mr. Pogi lang ha. Face ng katawan eh, no? Ayun na nga. Ayun na nga. Okay na tayo. O sige, line up na ulit. Tatapusin na natin ito. Alright! How are you? What's your good name again? Please, magpakilala ka. Name, taga saan, at yung, ano mo, motto in life.
I'm Jennifer. Manama.
What in life?
Think positive always.
How about for candidate number 2, Miss Joanne? Pangalan, lugar, at motto in life.
Hello, I'm Joan Stack, 32 years old, from Luxor, representing My motto in life is, if others can, why can't I? Hi, thank you.
Okay, the last but definitely not least, let's move forward with Miss Rose. Come on.
Hi, I'm Rose. I'm from Gawati, and my motto in life is give love to each and every one of us.
Okay, we're done with the rampage. And yung magpapakilala introducing themselves, we're gonna move forward with the last portion, which is the Q&A. First of all, we have Mom Jennifer. Okay? Okay, how are you again, Mom? You look so fantastic for tonight with your glimmering and shimmering dress. How do you feel? How do you feel to be part of the top 3?
Nervous.
Nervous? With an F. Nervous? May stay. Nervous. Anyway, how about, okay, Jennifer, kaya sa atin ulit?
At the Bicol.
Taga Bicol. Ano yung pinakamasarap na pagkain sa Bicol? Laing. Gano'n ka sarap yung laing bukod dun sa ano, sa gata? Di ba may gata yung laing? Ba't parang hindi niya ano? Okay, ano yung ingredients ng laing sa inyo?
Gata, baboy, sili. Luya, no? Hindi ako niluluto, kumakain lang.
Ako makain ka lang. Taga-team lang. Pero hindi yung question ko talaga. Ang question ko goes this way. Guys, please participate. Guys, please participate. Boys, girls, please participate first. Okay. Your question goes this way. If ever you will be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that and why?
Gusto ko yung una ko. Ang contented na tayo. Wala ko na lang masama na.
Ayaw mo ilong mo?
Ilong? Ilong. Gusto niyo ba?
Alright, that was once again, thank you so much for your amazing answer for our question. You did it well, good job. Anyway, proceeding or moving on with our next candidate. How are you? Congratulations for being part of the top 3 for the start of the night. How do you do? Or how are you doing right now?
I'm fine and I'm very grateful that I'm in front of you all.
Wala bang sa likod? In front lang? To all the surroundings. Anyway, where are you from the Philippines? Ilocos. All I know in Ilocos, there's so much islands or beaches there. Am I correct?
Yes, and we have our this one place, Baluarte from Chavi Season.
The owner is Chubby Chison.
Yes.
You are the co-owner?
No.
not the owner. But the question goes this way. May boyfriend ka na ba? May jowa ka na ba? May nagmamahal na ba sa'yo? Meron, wala?
Yes.
Pero kailangan ko ng isang mic, para di tayo hirap. Nasa isang mic natin. Para di tayo hirap. At ito, we'll go back to your question. So how are you?
Hello, Mendes.
Alright, Miss John, for our candidate number 2, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your motto again in life?
If others can, why can't I?
Ano sa Tagalog yun?
Kung kaya ng iba, bakit hindi ko kaya?
Kung tatanungin kita, ano ba yung kaya mong gawin para sa pagmamahal?
Kaya ko mag-sakripisyo laban sa pagmamahal, love conquers all.
Love conquers all.
Yes.
Kung love conquers all, kaya mo bang patayin si Chubby Simpson para maging papasayo yung ano baluarte? Okay lang?
Ayaw ko kung maging criminal.
Pero may kinalaman ka ba sa blood control?
Kaya kong bahala mag-usap.
Ako naman mo gusto. Pero I think di lang parte ng ano, corruption sa blood control. Siguro part ka lang siguro ng mga magagandang tao from inside and outside dito sa mundong kinalalagyan natin. Am I correct? But the question is not that one. The real question goes this way. Okay. Kung yung question natin sa first candidate, what part of her body she want to change, sa'yo hindi. Ano yung isang bagay, isang parte ng katawan mo ang gusto mong ipanatili at bakit?
Para sa akin po, ang gusto ko pong ipanatili ay yung gawin ng pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko, sa pamilya ko, at sa mga kapwa-tao. And I thank you.
Oh, yun. Ang ganda ng sagot niya, no? Parang gusto ko manalo. Okay. Pakipasa niyo yung sa ating candidate number 3, the last but not the least, Miss, your big name, Rose. Guys, bye! Bye! Okay, for our candidate number 3, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good. How do you feel for tonight? How do you feel for tonight? You're good. Okay. Do you have any key message for Ma'am Arlene?
Okay. Ma'am Arlene, our manager, I'm so lucky that
Hindi siya nagigiling mo. Hindi siya nagigiling, sorry.
Ma'am Arlene, thank you for having me here in your company for almost 5 years. And I'm so lucky that when I was, during those past 2 years, I was sick, you never leave me. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. But the question is not that one. Your question will be this way. After 5 years, how do you see yourself? I repeat the question. After 5 years, how do you see yourself?
After 5 years,
5 lang po, 5 lang. Oo.
5 years, hopefully I can stay more here in Bahrain, but I'm planning to move another company.
Ma'am, alam mo na ha, mag-move daw siya. Oo. Bigyan mo na siya ng release paper. Gusto niya na daw mag-move after 5 years. Bigyan mo na ng release paper. Okay, once again, let's give a round of applause for our 3 nominees for the star of the night. Our winner, ladies and gentlemen, who do you think will be? Come on, shout your choice! Habang ang dahil sa shout your choice! All together, shout your choice! Who do you think will bring home the crown for the star of the night for our second batch? Please move forward, and it's you, none other than, mag-ready ka na, you are our star of the second batch. It's you, candidate number, so Miss John! Representing to you our girl cheerleader dance number. Ngayon na magkakasunod ng steps. Nag-usap-usap na sila. Mas magaling na isa dun, oh. Yung naka-checker, oh. Lumulutag-lutag siya, oh. Mas magaling na yung mga backup dancers, oh. Si John na rin, oh. Galing, oh. Mas magaling pa. O, diba? Si Ma'am John din, focus mo, oh. Galing, oh.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for giving this award, a certificate of recognition from this day, January 9, 2026, here at Arman Hotel. It's a great honor and privilege to receive this award. Thank you so much, Ma'am Promise Joy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Marlene. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jocelyn, for giving this award. I truly treasure this award. And sana, sa mga kapwa natin mga healthcare givers, sa mga kapwa natin mga frontliners, dahil ako rin ay isang nurse by profession, sana ay pagputuloy lang natin yung mga naumpisan natin sa panghiharap. At sana huwag tayong mapagod na paglingkuran yung mga pasyente natin. Kasi bilang kapalit po nun, yung pagtulong natin, pag-aruga natin sa mga kapwa natin, or sa mga may sakit, o sa mga nakapansanan, iba po yung kapalit nun. Kumbaga mag-bless tayo ng doble-doble. Kung ano yung mga binibigay natin na pag-aaruga, pagkalinga sa kanila, for sure, i-treasure nila yun at hindi nila tayo makakalimutan. So once again, Family Home Care Services, thank you for this award! Thank you so much! Thank you so much!
Ayun na talaga. Dayang-dayang pala yun. Yung pala yun. Lambutan mo ate ko. Yung isa doon parang tuod. Lambutan mo pati. Ikembot mo, oo. Giling. Giling pa more. Oh.
Step. And with me beside me, the HR accounting staff of the Family Home Care Services. Once again, a big round of applause for Ma'am Promise Joy Manao. Ay, kulang. More energy. More life. Alright, Ma'am Promise Joy, before we officially close our program, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away.
Thank you, Mr. Stanley Santos. So, nagpapasalamat kami dahil nag-host ka sa annual party namin, naging part ka ng aming celebration. Thank you kasi kahit na maraming may mga nangyari ng mga nakaraan na misunderstanding at saka kahit na on the spot, sabi ko sa kanya, isingin ko to, nagagawa na naman ng paraan. So, highly recommended si host Stanley. So, kung kailangan ninyo, kontakin niyo siya. I think nalibot na niya, nasabi na niya sa inyo yung kanyang mga account, social media account. So, kontakin niyo na lang siya. Yun lang. Thank you so much.
What a truly wonderful and unforgettable evening. Thank you so much, Ma'am Promise Joy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close our program, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for our company in charge. First of all, our food and venue, the Arman Hotel. A big round of applause. We also want to acknowledge our beautiful decoration for tonight from our decorator, Miss Joanna. And for our videographer for the vlog and photographer, Miss Eka. From a round of applause. And for our music coordinator, none other than Miss Promise Joy. And for our two beautiful event organizer, Ma'am Promise Joy and Ma'am Johnny, a big round of applause. And once again, a big round of applause for the manager, Ma'am Arlene. And we would like also to extend our sincerest appreciation for all the staff, caregiver staff, in gracing this momentous occasion. Palakpakan niyo ang iyong mga sarili. What a truly wonderful and unforgettable for the 5th annual party for the Family Home Care Services. What an absolutely incredible night live here at Arman Hotel. This has been your host for tonight, host is Stanley, signing off. Palakpakan dyan. This has been the Family Home Care Services 5th annual party. To all the participants and guests
for tonight. Thank you so much for joining this lovely event. Maraming salamat po. And the best as all.